How to link Ulta Rewards to Target Circle. Open the Target app or visit the Target website and sign in to your Target Circle account. Make sure your Target Circle membership is active under your account profile. Go to the Account or Profile section after signing in. Find the Target Circle option from the menu. Scroll until you see the section for partners or linked rewards. Select the option related to Ulta Beauty Rewards. Tap or click the choice to link your Ulta Beauty Rewards account. You will be redirected to the Ulta login page. Sign in using your Ulta Beauty Rewards email or phone number and password. Review the permission request to connect both accounts. Confirm that you want to link your Ulta Rewards with Target Circle. Wait a few moments while the system completes the connection. Return to your Target account and check the Partners section to confirm it shows Ulta as linked. Start shopping Ulta products at Target and earn Ulta Rewards points automatically when using Target Circle. Thank you for watching.